In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to share a piece of intelligence about a very expensive problem that you may not even know you have. It's called oil fouling, and until treated, it's subtracting from your bottom line every moment of every day. Oil fouling affects all air conditioning and refrigeration systems, no matter the age, size, or condition, and reduces energy efficiency by 30% and more. It's similar to having plaque in your arteries. Like an unhealthy heart, a cooling system with oil fouling will likely work harder, require costly repairs, and live a shorter life. Oil fouling is the discovery of ASHRAE, the definitive authority for the HVAC industry. Harmful additives called PROAs claim to fix this problem, but instead they contain toxic chemicals like sulfur, detergents, and chlorine, all causing long-term damage to cooling equipment. And PROAs are not recommended by ASHRAE. Thankfully, there is a better solution. It's the single most cost-effective green technology, engineered specifically to eliminate oil fouling and restore lost efficiencies. It's installed just once, lasts the life of your equipment, and never disrupts the flow of business. Payback is in less than 12 cooling months, and ROI is typically over 500%. After tens of thousands of successful installations, this technology performs every time and comes with a full money-back guarantee. It's independently and third-party tested and is approved for purchase by the GSA for the U.S. federal government. Here's an example. A supermarket chain with 200 stores can literally save millions in energy cost every year. And that's for the life of the equipment. This is a real option for lowering energy consumption and maintenance costs, extending your equipment life, cooling your spaces faster, and increasing efficiency, all while reducing carbon emissions and saving money.